I thought this would be a good place to take a look at how far I've gotten along with what I'm trying to draw. So I've got a stairway in, shear walls made out of CMUs, but I kind of like I like the contrast between the raw CMU and the wood. But that's for the in condition for the center stairway. I foresee this whole thing being part of a duplicated element. So we need two stairways for egress. So this unit would just be duplicated over to the other side. I'll rotate around this a little bit to show you what I've worked through as far as construction details go, or concept details. I'll pull this back so you can see a little bit of the stairway area. Pull that out just a little further so you can see the walkway. So the idea here is each unit, this is half of the hallway. As you see, as not shown yet, this unit would be forward and back facing. And so we've got the walkway to get to the stairwell. On the facing side, that would be the elevator core. This gives an outside deck area, common to the floor. If we look down on the bottom here, we have some beam systems. I've kind of, I guess, masked these out as being reinforced concrete beams and piers or columns. And I could pull through, I guess, here and, whoops, wrong arrow. And maybe pull this way down just to kind of isolate that system out. So we'd be looking at these are the bottoms of the modules. Obviously they're cut through as a section now, but this gives you an idea. Actually, if I go up just a little bit, you could see the construction of you get the floor deck, but these are in alignment with the columns. And you see that in this condition here, where that column is sitting on top of this piece of wall that's constructed here. So that's about all I've gotten to this point. And I'm not really sure we're going to go, I don't know if we need to go much further. I'd like to add in some utilities, showing how they might snake through modules. And then figure out, probably just duplicate this over, just copy this over one tier. I think mirroring it will be more difficult because of the idea that we have family, or we have these projects in project environments. So I would probably just copy it over. I think there's a lot of so up at the top section here, I've put a roof in. I've allowed these partitions to come up through. These would probably carry around the whole face as a parapet wall condition. But I think that's more detail than we would actually do for this project. So I think we'll be able to slice through this in many different ways and come up with a nice set of drawings for this. So the next time we look at this, I'll try to duplicate over to the other side and maybe look at rotating that and mirroring it around to the back side. So we'll pick up my progress and hopefully your progress on the next clip.